Revamping the BMW XM, a simplified label and a substantial price adjustment. In a noteworthy move, BMW has ushered in changes for the BMW XM, previously known as Label Red, now streamlined to simply the label. Adding to this transformation, the performance SUV comes with an enticing offer, allowing a substantial $9,900 reduction in its price. The decision to truncate the name to XM label is rooted in a commitment to simplification, according to a BMW spokesperson responding to Motor One. While this provides a glimpse into the motivation, a more detailed explanation from the company is awaited. Considering the absence of an official announcement regarding this nomenclature shift, interestingly, BMW has quietly updated the vehicle's name across its consumer-oriented platforms, including the brand's homepage. Earlier promotional efforts showcased the vibrant crimson hue, emphasizing it in the vehicle's stripes or as a backdrop in images. However, recent marketing materials reveal a subtle departure from the vivid shade. Accompanying this naming refinement is a noteworthy discount for potential XM buyers. Cars Direct reports a $9,900 loan credit, applicable whether buyers opt for BMW credit financing or not. This offer is reportedly accessible from November 2nd to November 30th, 2023. According to several BMW dealer sites, remarkably, this discount surpasses the $7,500 tax credit available for lessees of the model. Further details about this offer are sought, and we have reached out to BMW for clarification. For those unfamiliar, the XM starting price is $159,995, with the label variant priced at $185,995. With this substantial incentive, buyers can enjoy a discount of around 5 to 6% off the base price of the vehicle. The XM label stands out as the most potent production vehicle ever to emerge from BMW's M division. Its powertrain features a hybrid-assisted 4.4-liter V8, delivering a robust 738 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. In comparison, the regular trim of the SUV boasts 644 horsepower and 590 pounds of T. As of the third quarter of 2023, BMW has successfully moved 1,614 units of the XM. Given that the vehicle wasn't available last year, a direct comparison with previous models remains elusive. Highlighting its performance prowess, BMW recently celebrated the XM label's impressive ascent of the Pikes Peak hill climb course in 10 minutes and 48.60 seconds, while not securing a course record for the segment. The German automaker proudly touted it as the fastest time ever recorded for a hybrid production SUV.